that I loved you because I thought I wasn't good enough. And I thought that it was only a matter of time before you realized that yourself. But Ben, that's me. Ben! Just look at me! Look at me! You've always known who we were and who we can be. I know what love feels like now. Ben, of course I love you. Ben, I've always loved you.
Ray, Zponkey.